So this is the dashboard that we got for the aquaponics system, and the top ones over here just shows you the conditions, current conditions right now, temperature conditions and the humidity conditions as recorded by the DHT11 sensor, and the soil moisture as recorded by the soil moisture sensor. And this first graph shows you the variation of temperature, and the second graph shows the variation of the humidity conditions. And then you got controls. You can enable automatic control or manual control. So the enabling manual control stops the automation code on Raspberry Pi that controls the water flow based on the conditions measured by the sensor. And automatic flow enables the controls, the automation code on the Raspberry Pi that controls the water flow based on the conditions. Then you got the light controls and the water controls. When you click on lights on, the lights going to turn on over there in your system, and when you click on lights off, the lights going to turn off. So before clicking on lights on or lights off, you don't have to specify manual controls, because we got a logic in our backend that whenever it gets a lights on, it automatically switches your Raspberry Pi's controls to manual. So let me just click on lights on for now, and then there you can see our system slide is on. And let me click on lights off for now. And it's going to take a while because we have been using the free tier of the system. Yeah, and the lights are off. Alright, so this takes a while, and now just let me switch it back to automatic so that I don't forget to switch it back to automatic later, and the plant's going to end up being dry. Then we got the data that's sent by the WizNet W6100 module, and we're going to get data in time series. WizNet doesn't provide you time, or Arduino doesn't provide you time as such. You need an external time module. So what we have done is we're getting the time from the server at the time when the server receives the data from the WizNet module. So here's the data, and today is 14 September, and the time that I'm making this video is 4:45 p.m. And the last almost 4:40 p.m. and the WizNet module sends data every 15 minutes. So here's the data last recorded at 4:30 p.m. and I do send the data twice because there might be some small variation. It's for further analysis that we are going to use. We are a team of data scientists actually, so we do collect multiple points at the same timestamp, because there might be some variations and we want to calculate the variations. And this is the watering schedule timestamp. This watering schedule is sent to the cloud by the Raspberry Pi, as Raspberry Pi is the module that controls watering. So you can see the last water is on 4:05 p.m. So the excess water that's happening over here is from the 4:05 p.m. On which we have turned on our motor. So yeah, you can have a comment system over there. You can have multiple people comment on your dashboard. That's not working currently, but we're gonna make it work soon. So if there are many people, we're gonna make like a social media for aquaponics. So if you can have your friends comment over your conditions, saying that you need to water your plants more, looking at the data, or you need to use manual controls more for your plant. So that's what we got right now. So let me just show you again. Lights are off. I turn on the lights, and it's gonna take a while, but the lights are gonna turn on.